Hello and welcome back to our lessons. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the product search element. So the product search elements can be used if you want your customers to search for your product using your chatbot flow. It would also require that you create an e-commerce store inside of Marketing Master I.O. So let's first create our first element, which is a text element. Now let's configure our text element. Alright, this is our first message. Hello, first name. Please let us know what product you would like to search for and then type below. So let's confirm the changes and we are going to add a user input here. And on a user input, let's create new custom variable and let's name this as product search. And after that, let's confirm the changes. Product search only works if you have a user input attached to its input node. So let's try to connect a product search element here. Great. So this is how you create a product search. First, you would need a text element, and then you would attach that text element to a user input element here, and then attach the user input element to your product search element. Now here, if we configure our product search, it would ask us for an e-commerce store. So we already have created an e-commerce store here, which is Blue Wow. And after that, we would enter our product carousel button call to action. And in this case, it is buy now. You can change this if you want, but for now, let's use the default call to action. And we are going to confirm the changes. So we can also add quick replies here if you want. We are not going to add a quick reply for now. Let's just use the fallback if no products are found. So if you connect a message here, this specific message will be sent if the search query of our customer does not result to a product or if no products are found during the search. Let's try to add a message here. Alright, this is our response message if ever there are no products found during the search. So, oops, unfortunately, we don't have that product. And then we are going to prompt the user to try to search again. So we are going to add this message. Would you like to search again? Click the search again button below. So we are going to copy this call to action. And then we are going to add a button here. But in this case, I think I would just use a quick reply. So use next step and then use the search again call to action. And then here we are going to connect this to the very first element that we created. So what this would do is if ever there's no product found during the search, the user would receive this message and they would be redirected back to our first flow. This is fairly simple. Let's just save this and try it out. Now that we have saved our flow, we can now click the send test button. Great, we just received the test message. So hello Calvin, please let us know what product you would like to search for. If I try to search for burger, let's see if we get some result. And as you can see, oops, unfortunately, we don't have that product. Would you like to search again? Click the search again button below, and this is the search again button. What we are looking for here is a product inside our e-commerce store. But what are the current active products for our e-commerce store? So let's go to e-commerce and then go to products. And then as you can see, these are the products for our e-commerce store. I haven't taught you yet how to create an e-commerce store. Just bear with me for now as we explore how to use the product search element. We will have a dedicated lesson how to create an e-commerce store inside of Marketing Master I.O. For now, let's just test the product search element. So let's try to search for gaming, okay? We are now going to click the search again, and then we are going to type gaming. Hello, Calvin, please let us know what product you would like to search for. And then I'm gonna type gaming and let's see what we get. Alright, as you can see, we received a carousel item containing the products with the gaming title. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 results here. So that's really easy to do. Now let's try to add here on our flow a quick reply. So let's go back to Facebook and Instagram, go to Chatbot Flow Builder, and let's edit the product search flow. So the quick reply that we are going to add is here on the product search. So we can add a quick reply here, and let's choose next step. And what I'm gonna do is add the search again button here. And as usual, just like what we did on the response for no product found, we would also connect the quick reply here to the very first part of our flow. So whenever the user clicks this quick reply, they will be redirected here and they can search a product again. So we are now going to save this and try our flow again. So click send test. All right, we got now the testing message. Let's try to search for another product here. Go to e-commerce and then go to product and let's search for another product. I'm gonna search for earphone. So let's use that keyword here. We're going to search for earphones on our e-commerce store. Okay, so type earphone and then hit send. All right, so as you can see, we receive the products containing an earphone on the product title. So one, two, so we receive two products here on the search result. And as you can see, there is a quick reply here prompting us if we want to search again. So if we click search again, it would redirect us to the very first message that we composed on our flow. Hello, Calvin. Please let us know what product you would like to search for and then type below. So let's type again gaming here and it should give us the same result as the previous gaming search. That's how the product search element works. So let's have a little recap here. Let's go back to Facebook and Instagram, chatbot flow builder, and edit our product search flow. For the product search element to work, you would need a text here, and then you would need a user input so that the customer can type the product name that they would like to search for. And after adding the user input, only then should we add or connect the product search element here. And then we are going to configure what e-commerce store we would like to connect here, add our call to action. And then if we want, we could also add a quick reply here and compose our message whenever there are no products found during the search. So that marks the end of this lesson, and we have more lessons in store for you. So stay tuned on our next videos.